Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add emails on Mailchimp. Mailchimp uses an audience to organize all your contacts, which is essentially your main contact database. You have several flexible options for adding new contacts, including importing a file, copying and pasting, or adding them one by one. Keeping your audience well organized is crucial for sending targeted campaigns and ensuring your messages reach the right people at the right time, maximizing your marketing efforts. One efficient way to add many contacts is by importing a file. First, prepare your contact data in a spreadsheet program, saving it as a CSV or tab-separated TXT file. Ensure your file has clear column headers like email address and first name. When uploading, Mailchimp will guide you to match your file's columns to its audience fields. After confirming, you can add hundreds or even thousands of contacts to your audience in one go, making bulk additions simple. For smaller additions, Mailchimp offers convenient manual and copy-paste methods. You can add a single subscriber by directly typing their email address and other relevant information into the system. Alternatively, if you have a list in a spreadsheet, you can copy and paste up to 2,000 contacts directly into a text box. Remember to confirm that you have permission to email them and assign a status, like subscribed, along with any helpful tags. After adding contacts, organizing your audience is key for effective marketing. Utilize tags to categorize contacts by interests, engagement levels, or other relevant criteria. Then, create segments to build dynamic groups, allowing you to send highly targeted campaigns. For example, you might segment by those who opened your last 5 emails. Regularly cleaning your audience by removing inactive contacts also helps improve deliverability and ensures your messages reach engaged subscribers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.